Bitcoin, show me please. Right now we've got Bitcoin at 35,480. Bitcoin actually dropped with the market yesterday, and $126 billion worth of cryptocurrency market value was wiped out. Brock Pierce is the chair of the Bitcoin Foundation, and Brock joins me now. Bitcoin not offering me protection from the stock market sell-off, is it?
It most definitely is not. This is an alternative asset class that we all want to be decoupled from the markets, and obviously right now we are continuing to see a clear correlation, which is not fulfilling the promise just yet. I continue to be confident that those markets will decouple at some point in the future, but it's definitely not today.
Brock, I just want you to look at this. It's an op-ed. It's in the New York Times, and I'm just going to read it top for you. What is happening to the people falling for crypto and NFTs? This op-ed rips into the NFT and crypto markets. It goes so far as to say that people who engage are playing stupid games to win stupid prizes. Brock, that's a real takedown, certainly of the NFT market. What's your response?
Well, I think anytime you have a new market and there's this much value being created, it attracts the best and the worst of society. And there is a lot of activity within the NFT market that is not going to withstand the test of time. But that does not mean that this technology isn't real and it doesn't have a very important role to play in our future.
Well, the Times article makes the point that the technology is not up to the job. That the Ethereum, which was the backup for this Bored Ape NFT sale, I don't want to get into this particularly, but that point in the Times is the technology isn't good enough yet.
That is true in terms of the market has been built on Ethereum, and Ethereum to date has fees that are not sustainable long term. Yeah. They do have on their near-term roadmap an upgrade to Ethereum, call it 2.0. It's a proof of stake system that is going to correct for that fee structure. But if you look at the market today, I agree with that point. It is unsustainable. The fees are too high, and this market's promise will never be fulfilled as long as those fees are what they are.
Yeah, the Times piece makes the point that people who tried to buy these Bored Ape NFTs ended up paying $180 million in transaction fees. $180 million transaction fees. I mean, that's a disaster, isn't it, for the NFT market?
Well, I mean, I think that the people that were buying were comfortable with the fees, so I'm not sure I'd call it a disaster. I'd say it's unsustainable, but the market was willing to pay it, and therefore they did. And in the future, this market will never see or fulfill its potential if that's not corrected.
Got it. Brock Pierce, look, thanks very much for being on the show today. Always appreciate it, Brock. We'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot.